got when I got mine. Wasn't hot when I got some. Fucking not what I want, but I stack what I want till I'm back on the right side. Back on the west.
Another day, another adventure. So yesterday I actually ended up not vlogging much like I thought I would, because I actually had my full day planned, but my full day just went to hell after the mall because they made me wait at the Apple store, and then I had to shop, and yeah, and after that I just went home and I went to the gym, and after that I went to Target, and that's it. Like, my day actually went to waste. But right now, guys, I'm actually about to go shoot, so you guys are gonna join the adventure like I always tell you guys. But yeah, I'm in my car. I don't even know where I'm gonna go shoot. But yeah, I need to go shoot for my Instagram. And if you're from my Instagram, I hope you guys like the pictures. Or just leave in a comment what your favorite picture is, or what you guys think about my feed. You know, it helps me out a lot. But right now, I guess I might go to Wee and Mall. Just shoot over there. But yeah, I have 3 different outfits. You guys will see. Have my big camera. And yeah, I'm gonna just vlog. So hopefully I have a good day, productive day, or something to vlog about. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go. Cause it's already 4 and I don't want it to get dark. So I might go somewhere else after Wee and Mall. I was thinking downtown Rockville or downtown Silver Spring, but we'll see. I gotta stop by and put gas in this beautiful car. So yeah, let's go. Let's stop wasting time. Alright, so I know the sun is hitting my face, guys, but I finally got to Wee and Mall. I came to the parking lot. There's not much like buildings, like structures. Of course, it's like the roof of the parking lot. So I guess it's fine. I just have all these cars that are for sale over here. But I'm gonna work with this right here, this little structure as a background. The Westfield sign over there too. I know there's buildings over there, so I'm gonna try to get that in the background. Hopefully it looks tough, hopefully it looks cool. But yeah, man, I'm gonna throw in some B-roll for you guys to see the outfits. This is outfit number 1, really basic. Did I just break this? Alright, so look, guys. See that car right there? They kicked me out. Wow. Apparently, I can't even take a picture, or pictures, would I say. I can't take pictures of myself. So I couldn't even give you guys a B-roll. So, I'm gonna look at the pictures I took, because I did take like a couple before they kicked me out. If I like one of them, or any of them, then I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna go somewhere else, because I don't want to be like, whatever. I was like, what is so bad about me taking pictures of myself? It's like, oh, because you're a property and we lease this property to the blah blah blah. I was like, whatever. So, you know, they have a huge problem with me taking pictures, or somebody taking pictures. I can't have a camera in this building, so it's straight up bullshit. But whatever. I'm not, whatever. He's like over there looking at me. So I'm gonna look at the pictures. If they're any good, then I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna go to my next location. Guys, change of plans. I'm gonna go pick up Crystal, and then we're gonna go shoot. Let's get it. That way I don't have to freaking rely on a tripod. That tripod was such a struggle. I only got like 2 pictures that are like good pictures, but yeah, I guess I'm on my way to pick up Crystal, and I'm not gonna vlog while driving because, you know, I don't want to crash, even though I'm doing it right now. But I'm in a parking lot, so it doesn't matter. All right, we're gonna go pick up Crystal. I'm here at Crystal's job. I'm kind of excited to see her, just because I'm always excited to see her. So I'm gonna tell her to say what's up to the vlog. I'm not gonna show her job, obviously, because kind of person would I be if I showed her job? I mean, weird. But actually, where she works, it's actually a nice ass spot to take pictures, so might as well, you know what I'm saying? Might as well take pictures. Oh, here she comes, look. Where'd she go? Oh yeah, look. Oh yeah, look at her smile. Hey.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Bristol.
Hello.
Say hi to the peoples.
They park so annoying.
Just hit it.
You want me to hit it? You want me to scratch your car?
No, scratch the other car. You fat ass can't even fit.
I only got juice because you said my Uber is making burgers?
Breakfast. She's making breakfast. Say hi.
Hello, hanap lang siya, baby.
Of course, you are shit. Oh.
So right now, what does he have? What do you have there?
Look at my outfits. I have 3 outfits, right?
So I just got out of work and he went to go pick me up, and now he wants to go take pictures at this parking lot by my job. I don't know if, wait, have you vlogged this before?
What?
This parking lot?
Yeah, only once, but.
Oh yeah. So we did this video, like how I do my Instagram post or something like that. Is that red or blue?
Yeah, cause there's a red shirt and this is a blue flannel.
Oh,
Red
blue
still?
top. No, blue. But yeah, he's gonna go change her now because, you know, he needs to, you know, those Instagram people, they have to have different outfits. Right, baby?
Mm-hmm.
He's gonna go change.
Should I change it?
You're seriously changing in the car?
Where
right there.
Where am I gonna change?
Look, it's gonna be...
The second outfit, regular Supreme tee, blue denim, and the Calabasas. And I just want to do this like a fast picture, and then come back and change, and then go home in time to eat burgers, because my mom made burgers. I'm gonna eat a lot. I'm gonna eat a lot, cause... Oh, you ate?
No, I just want to eat.
Okay. Yeah. Damn, that's a nice car. I should come here and vlog more often, because I feel like this is like the best part of the DMV, in my opinion. Like downtown's like this. Well, not really, but like, look, it's so modern and so nice. And it's so like good to take pictures. You're cold?
Yeah, I only have my...
I'm gonna have to go change to the next outfit, and like that's what I'm telling you guys. I was there like 20 minutes on top of the parking lot trying to take pictures with the down tripod, and it's not the same as having this beautiful girl here to help me out.
I'm his photographer.
Yeah.
You guys don't know that by now.
No, she's not. I take all
We
my
had
pictures.
all those Instagram pictures. It's me.
No.
So, you know, hire me.
Okay.
Car right here.
Okay. Alright, look at this flannel that I got yesterday at PacSun.
Hey, baby, wait.
Oh, so that's the size.
You can't let them know. You're extra small.
It's a large. But yeah, it was
Oh, look, my
guess
outfit
I'm-
goes too. Baby.
You're ugly. I actually got this flannel for cheap.
That's nice.
Guess how much I got it for?
Looks like you dyed it. $2.
No, $7.
Oh, that's not
Yeah, look at this joint. And it goes with the Royals, the whole outfit. Woo! Instagram about to be pop. So after like 35 minutes trying to take a picture with this one outfit, we finally got one. But we got the background, and we got this background. Hey, I know the picture's gonna come out looking nice. Thanks to my beautiful photographer that I love so much. Look at Egghead. Her fat ass wants Girl Scout cookies, but I don't have cash. I only have a card. I'm sorry.
Cash.
You have cash?
I think
Then why
I
don't we go buy
I don't have
some?
my wallet with me.
Where is it, in the car?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you could have just said that. I guess we're buying
Hey,
Girl
I
Scout
have
cookies.
$4.
Hey, you better have Girl Scout cookies. I mean, cash.
And we're back.
Can we help you?
Show the world the cookies of God. Those cookies are so good, bruh.
Oh.
Got the Thin Mints. Oh, yes. I love those. Oh, yes. How about your cookie? I mean, what? What is good, guys? So right now it's probably, let me check the time actually. It's 10:38 p.m. So this day has come to an end. I'm gonna add the vlog from yesterday and today to make it a full vlog. But I really didn't do anything. So I ate the burgers like I told you guys I was gonna eat. And what else did I do? We watched a movie. Oh, by the way, Andy came through. So he ate burgers with us. And then I dropped them off and I dropped Crystal off. So that's pretty much it. So I didn't do anything interesting after I shot the pictures. By the way, the pictures will be up by the time this vlog is up. So go check out my Instagram. Let me know if you do check them out, or if you come from my Instagram. Let me know if you like the pictures. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It was pretty chill. So I don't even know if this is going up. Depends. I hope it's going up. I hope. I'm tired, man. I'm really exhausted. Your boy Fatboy Sneakers, aka Fatboy, is out. I'm tired, exhausted. Hope you had a good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you guys are watching this, man. You already know what it is. Have a good one. So gay. Alright, deuces. Peace. Deuces. It's like, no, that's so gay, son.
Running yaps, motherfucker, been attached, motherfucker, 3 fingers, let me rap with a best fly. Look at me, I'm treading